Kishu English Hindi to English translation. Let's get started. ज़्यादा फट्टू मत बनो. Don't be a wimp man. Don't be a wimp man. Wimp का मतलब होता है फट्टू. If someone is afraid from dog and some little things, that time you can use this sentence. तुम्हारी आवाज़ कट रही है. Your voice is breaking up. Your voice is breaking up. Breaking up का मतलब होता है आवाज़ का कटना, जैसे कि someone is talking with you and her voice is not coming properly या his voice is not coming properly. That time you can use this sentence. मैं तुम्हें किस टाइम कॉल करूँ? What time should I call you? What time should I call you? तुमने मुझे वापस कॉल नहीं किया. You didn't call me back. You didn't call me back. अपनी गलती मान लो. Accept your mistake. Accept your mistake. मुझे वहाँ जाना पड़ा. I had to go there. I had to go there. जो रुका गुलाम है वो, इसे हम इंग्लिश में कहेंगे he is a hand-packed husband. He is a hand-packed husband. मैं काजू खा रहा हूँ. I am eating cashew. काजू को इंग्लिश में cashew बोलते हैं. I am eating cashew. मुझे किसमिस पसंद है. I like raisin. I like raisin. तू हरामी है. You bastard. You bastard. कई बार हम बॉयज़ या गर्ल्स भी आपस में इस तरीके की लैंग्वेज यूज़ करते हैं. इट्स ट्रू. एंड तू कमीना है या तू कमीनी है. You are cunning. You are cunning. तुम्हारी काली जुबान है. You have a black tongue. You have a black tongue. कई बार क्या होता है ना, कुछ गलत बोलता है कोई इंसान तो ट्रू हो जाता है. दैट टाइम वी कैन यूज़ दिस सेंटेंस. यह तो छोटी सी बात है. इट इज़ द स्लाइटेस्ट थिंग. इट इज़ द स्लाइटेस्ट थिंग. स्लाइटेस्ट थिंग का मतलब छोटी सी बात. तुम तो इतनी सी बात पर नाराज़ हो गई. यू गॉट एंग्री ऑन स्लाइटेस्ट थिंग. यू गॉट एंग्री ऑन स्लाइटेस्ट थिंग. तुम बहुत भोली हो. यू आर सो इनोसेंट. यू आर सो इनोसेंट. तुम समझदार हो. यू आर सेंसिबल. तुम अकड़ू हो. यू आर रूड. You are rude. If someone is trying to be rude with you, then that time you can use this sentence. मेरा मोबाइल चार्ज पर लगा दो. Please put my mobile on charge. Please put my mobile on charge. उसे मत देखो. Don't look at him. Don't look at him. Which way? किस तरफ? सेंटेंस देखते हैं. तुम्हारा घर किस तरफ है? Which way is your house? If you are going to someone's house and you don't know where is the way, that time you can ask. मंदिर किस तरफ है? Which way is temple? Which way is temple? इधर उधर की बात छोड़ो, असली बात पर आओ. Stop rambling and come to the point. Stop rambling and come to the point. If you have done something wrong, that time you can say मैं बहक गया था. I was being stupid. I was being stupid. तुम्हें उसे समझाना चाहिए था. You should make him understand. You should make him understand. दोपहर की नींद, इसे हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं siesta. क्या तुमने दोपहर की नींद ले ली? Did you take siesta? Did you take siesta? जलेबी, इसे हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं rounded sweet. Rounded sweet. जलेबी भारत की राष्ट्र मिठाई है. Did you know that? Before read this sentence. Rounded sweet is the national sweet of India. Rounded sweet is national sweet of India. तुमने मुझसे 500 रुपये लिए थे. If someone has taken 500 rupees from you, that time you can use this sentence. You owe me rupee 500. You owe me rupee 500. कब दोगी? When will you return? When will you return? मुझे बताओ तुमने ऐसा क्यों किया? Tell me why you did that. Tell me why you did that. I know that you are thinking like this. We can also use this type of sentence. Why did you do that? But sorry, ये गलत है. It's wrong. Why did you do that? Right is why you did that. Okay? तुमसे मतलब any concern to you? Any concern to you? झमेला, इसे हम इंग्लिश में कहते हैं इम्ब्रोलियो। मैं इस झमेले में नहीं पड़ना चाहता। आई डोंट वॉन्ट टू गेट into this imbroglio. I don't want to get into this imbroglio. मेरे बाल मत बिखेरो. Don't mess my hair. ड्राइविंग सीख लो. लर्न ड्राइविंग. तुम मुझसे झूठ बोल रही हो. You are lying to me. You are lying to me. मैं बेड पर लेटी हुई हूँ. I am laying on the bed. I am laying on the bed. यह तुम्हारी लापरवाही थी. If someone did mistake, that time you can use this sentence. It was your negligence. It was your negligence. Negligence मतलब लापरवाही. तुम इसी के लायक हो. You deserve it only. You deserve it only. यह मौका दोबारा नहीं आएगा. This opportunity will not come again. This opportunity will not come again. मैं उसकी खूबसूरती देखकर हैरान हो गया. I was dazzled to see her. I was dazzled to see her. dazzled का मतलब होता है किसी को देखकर हैरान हो जाना. must have किया होगा. must have प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म का यूज़ करेंगे. तुम ही ने उससे बताया होगा. You must have told him. told थर्ड फॉर्म आ गई. तुम ही ने तोड़ा होगा. You must have broken the glass. You must have broken the glass. तुम ही ने आम खाया होगा. You must have eaten the mango. You must have eaten the mango. यह तुम ही ने लिखा होगा. You must have written this. You must have written this. If someone has written your name on the board and somewhere, that time you can use this sentence. उसे यह तुम ही ने दिया होगा. You must have given to him. You must have given to him. If someone has given some things to other person without your permission, that time you can use this sentence. मैं कंजूस नहीं हूँ. I am not miser. I am not miser. Miser का मतलब कंजूस. Thank you. If you have watched my full video, then thank you so much, and please subscribe if you liked the video.
TunePocket.com